Backyard poultry are at risk of avian influenza, and migrating mallards pause to rest. Understanding the locations, timing, and duration of rest stops for mallard ducks known carriers of avian influenza can aid in predicting the likelihood of bird flu transmission to backyard poultry flocks, as indicated by a study from Cornell University. This research, published in Scientific Reports, represents a significant advancement in elucidating the transmission dynamics of bird flu, specifically a highly pathogenic avian influenza HPAI strain. The findings may eventually guide backyard poultry owners on optimal times to implement additional measures to separate their birds from wild populations. The researchers employ a computer model to assess the infection risk to backyard poultry, resident mallards, and overwintering mute swans in Croatia, a critical stopover site for both migratory mallards and mute swans. While mallards can tolerate avian influenza, it is lethal to mute swans. The presence of deceased swans can serve as an indicator of bird flu, which is often difficult to detect in wild populations. Although Croatia was the focus of this study, the implications of the findings extend to other regions, including the United States. The virus has jumped independently at different times from wild birds to dairy cows, stated Sebastian Llanos Soto, a doctoral candidate in the lab of senior author Renata Ivanic, a professor of epidemiology. There is an urgent need to improve our ability to predict the introduction of avian influenza at the wildlife-domestic animal interface, and our study contributes to this goal, Llanos Soto remarked. In this research, the computer model utilized migratory data, noting that mute swans typically arrive in Croatia from September to November for wintering and return to their breeding grounds between February and April. Mallards, on the other hand, arrive between October and November, resting for a period of 7 to 28 days before continuing their migration along the Mediterranean Black Sea flyway.